keep your lips relaxed. Your body is relaxed. Right? So you dip lower and your shoulder is in the raise. Right? You make your hand position. Right? For example, you want to guys turn left. Right? You want to guys turn left. To make your hand right, and you need to turn your hand, your shoulder, hip, leg with the foot. You can shoulder leg, right? So you want to make right? So you want to go right, and lower, and right, and back, and front, like this, like right, and left side forward time, my back foot. Okay? So, along catching time wave, you need to be strong, right? You need to make paddle strong. So, right? Right? Like, right? Right? And then press, right? So show me how do you pop up? How is it? Okay. And you show me? Yes, and with your board, you are holding the perfect now. So only this mistake. Don't pump. Okay. Last one. Up. Already hold. Relax up. Relax body. Hop up. Yes. Okay, middle and yes, between both. Yes. Right? So don't put your hips down and put it up. Down. Right? And try to turn your shoulder a little bit forward. Like that. Okay? Because you keep your shoulder this way. Right? But you keep down. Okay? Right. You go.